I will show you how to get the best life lessons from our furry and feathered friends. Ready to learn? Animals live their lives with pure honesty and simplicity. They teach us the value of loyalty, the beauty of unconditional love, and the importance of living in the moment. Imagine a world where we respect every living being, where we cherish the gentle nuzzle of a dog or the soothing purr of a cat. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality we can create. By respecting animal rights, we acknowledge their capacity for joy and suffering. We learn to be more compassionate, more aware, and more human. It's a small step with a huge impact. So let's take a page from their book. Let's live with kindness, protect the vulnerable, and strive for harmony. Because when we respect animals, we not only become their guardians, we become better beings ourselves. Remember, every act of kindness counts, and together we can make a difference. Let's respect animal rights because they're worth it, and so are we.